AC vent and I stuck it on the brim of a hat. Well, the brim of a hat. And it auto, well, this is kind of the cool part though. Watch the swivel. Yeah. Stupid little things like this actually work. I don't know, it's really, I'm wearing a hat. I'm copying the Quentin thing. You guys ever seen the Quentin show? He stuck the GoPro in his hat. I did the same thing except a little bit more on the ridiculous side. I think you're gonna get a lot of hood, man. I just don't see this working. Oh well. Oh look, a playground. Can you see the playground? Alright. No, whatever. You know how they had the Hemi? And then they didn't do the Hemi anymore because of whatever reason, and then they wish they had the Hemi, and they, you know, that's kind of what I feel like. Oh yeah, the V10, whatever. That's a Dodge subject for you. I will dodge that one, that's for sure. Rapid Plumber. Oh, there's a guy over there. He's like, dude, what are you doing with a camera on your head? It's like, yeah, I know. I know this terrible, blocked off street, apparently. The existential detective. I believe I explained that right here. That car that I saw wasn't a 30-something. This is it right there. Can you see it? Hope so. Whatever. You ever had weird things happen and you didn't make any sense, or someone came and told you something that was just too crazy to believe? Well, I have. And they're always true. It's like, why would people make up shit like that? So I've been sent on another, like, stupid, hey, check this out thing, right? I always get sent on these quests. Not always. I go on them. My own damn fault. What the hell did he mean? Look into it. I find the answers. So, personally, I think that the individual that told me this was... because nobody else has said the same thing. It's all like implied hearsay stuff, so. But, you know. It's like when people are telling jokes and they're laughing and it's funny, right? But deep down they're telling the truth and they're covering it up with humor. Okay. Guess what I found today? I'll tell you something, and this is kind of, okay, barely connected, right? This morning, I was looking at Egyptian hieroglyphics, and I saw a symbol. Again, second time I've seen it. The other time, and I'm excited, I know, the other time I saw this symbol, the people saw the symbol, it looked like an airplane in the water. In Egypt, whatever, crazy. Or a helicopter, whatever, but I didn't see the helicopter, I saw this. My phone's ringing on my face. That's funny. Oh, cool. Can I mention it? Oh, God. Yeah. Okay. This ends very, very quickly. Yeah, great. So, like, the other thing, brief, like, I saw this thing in, like, you know, the weird shit, you know, internet, what the hell is this? Hieroglyphics, right? Cool. Damn it. Somebody said it was something else, like a mistake or whatever, right? So, yeah, great, it was a mistake. Just one picture of it. Unfortunately, I've seen another one now that's the same symbol, which means that they made the same exact mistake. One of them was carved in stone and the other was painted very, very elaborate paint. That's the twice I've seen. Okay, people, you gotta decide what you're doing before you just... Okay. I'm deciding I'm leaving. Okay. I will get out of this fucking parking lot. I didn't get gas here, man. I got like a gallon of water, something to drink. And I'm tired of being. So, you see shit that people say, oh, that's bullshit. That's fake. And you look at it and you're like, no, that looks, okay, fine. That looks like, that just looks not fake. And, the reason to explain it is ridiculous. And then you see another one. So you start to think, okay, yeah. So that's kind of an example of what I'm talking about. Like when you find shit out that like maybe is realer than you think it is. So on that note, I'm looking into something that I think is absolutely even more ridiculous than that. And I'm having a hard time proving the dude wrong. I'd rather call him like crazy, but yeah. I don't know what you guys can see because actually this guy is always in my way. Anyway, I kind of do. You get to see a blurry, a wiggly. It's really probably more annoying for you than for me. If you're wondering how I did it, you probably didn't watch the beginning of the video. But like I took a cell phone holder that goes on an AC vent and I stuck it on the brim of a hat. And it kind of does cool stuff. Huh? Yeah. I didn't really turn the car all the way around. I just spun the camera. I'm gonna go and look and see if I can't prove that stupid story I heard wrong. See, the thing is I don't want to tell you like something that somebody told me that I don't believe yet. So it would be really dumb to go, hey, yeah, here's this thing that somebody told me that turned out not to be true. I don't like stories like that. So, yeah. Although the events that transpired surrounding those things were in itself rather amazing. And maybe I can tell you about that stuff and then the whole, like, what somebody said about that stuff. That's a much better plan. Okay. You guys ever been online? I mean, not the internet, but online. Long time ago, before they had the internet. Yeah, that's when all this stuff happened. But this has been a really long video, and you guys are probably annoyed. There's just something. This is a freeway, power plant. Yeah, great. Woohoo! Why don't I just describe the obvious shit that you guys see? Truck, car, truck, car. No, I'm kidding. Yeah. I said I wasn't funny, remember? I have no sense of humor. Anyway. There's nothing interesting for like the next forever, and I can't hit the button to shut it off because I can't see it. Although there's a Miata back there, like an MX-5. Yeah. I could imagine if Carroll Shelby built a Mazda Miata for like the president of Mazda. You know. I'm thinking, yeah, he'd put a really big motor in it. Yeah, that guy was amazing. Is that an MX-5 or whatever? Am I wrong? Yeah, it is. Thank God. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, guy in a car. Yeah, Carroll Shelby, that guy, he was amazing.